Welcome back to Part B. We are picking up right where Part A ended, with Section B. Let's continue. Section B. Here you choose any 3 questions. We'll work through all 5 so you can pick your strongest. Question 16. Part A. We are given q of x equals 2x cubed minus 5, x squared minus 9, x plus 18. Find q of minus 2. The factor theorem says that if q of a equals 0, then x minus a is a factor. So checking a value tells us whether it is a root of the cubic. Substitute minus 2. 2 times minus 8 is minus 16. Minus 5 times 4 is minus 20. Minus 9 times minus 2 is plus 18, and plus 18. Adding minus 16 minus 20, 18 and 18 gives 0. Because q of minus 2 is 0, x plus 2 is a factor. Question 16, parts B and C. Now factorize completely and solve. Dividing the cubic by its factor gives the quadratic that holds the other 2 roots. Dividing q of x by x plus 2 gives 2x squared minus 9x plus 9. That quadratic factors as 2x minus 3 times x minus 3. So q of x is x plus 2 times 2x minus 3 times x minus 3. Setting q of x equal to 0, each bracket gives a solution. X equals minus 2, x equals 3 over 2, and x equals 3. Question 17. Parts A and B. Of 17 teachers, 10 teach economics and 9 teach mathematics. The number teaching both is twice the number teaching neither. Picture 2 overlapping circles. Everyone is counted once. Only economics, only mathematics, both, and neither must add up to the total. And the number in the union is 10 plus 9 minus the overlap, because the overlap was counted twice. Let the number teaching neither be n, so both is 2n. The union is 17 minus n and also 10 plus 9 minus 2n. So 17 minus n equals 19 minus 2n, giving n equals 2. So neither is 2 and both is twice that, which is 4. Question 17, part C. How many teach only one subject? To find those in a single circle, take away the overlap from each subject's total. Both subjects is 4 from before. Only economics is 10 minus 4, which is 6. Only mathematics is 9 minus 4, which is 5. Adding these, 6 plus 5. The number teaching only one subject is 11. Question 18. Parts A and B. The ages of 81 students are given with their frequencies. Complete the fx column, then find the mode. The fx column is each age multiplied by how many students have it. So 14 times 12 is 168, 15 times 8 is 120, and so on, up to 20 times 10, which is 200. Adding the frequencies gives 81 students, and adding the fx values gives 1,376. The mode is the age with the highest frequency. The biggest frequency is 21 at age 17, so the mode is 17. Question 18, parts C and D. Now find the median and the mean. The median is the middle value once the ages are in order. With 81 students, the middle one is the 41st. Counting the frequencies, 12, then 20, then 30, and by age 17 we have reached 51, so the 41st student is 17. The median is 17. The mean is the total of the fx column divided by the number of students. That is 1,376 divided by 81, which is about 17. So the median is 17, and the mean is also about 17. Question 19. Parts A and B. 10,000 francs is invested at 10% per year, compound interest. Compound interest is like a snowball rolling downhill. Each year it grows on everything it has already gathered, so you earn interest on the interest. Part A. The interest in the first year is 10,000 times 10%, which is 1,000 francs. Part B. The amount after 2 years is the principal times 1 plus the rate squared. That is 10,000 times 1.1 squared, which is 12,100 francs. Question 19, part C. Find the total amount after 3 years. For any number of years, we raise the growth factor, 1 plus the rate, to that power. So after 3 years, the amount is 10,000 times 1.1 cubed. 1.1 cubed is 1.331. Multiplying 10,000 times 1.331. The total after 3 years is 13,310 francs. Question 20. Part A. We have 3 points. A at -4, 3, B at -1, 1, and C at -2, 5. Are they collinear? Points are collinear when they lie on one straight line, and that happens only if the slope between any two of them is the same. The slope from A to B is 1 minus 3 over -1 plus 4, which is -2 over 3. The slope from A to C is 5 minus 3 over -2 plus 4, which is 2 over 2, that is 1. Minus 2/3 is not equal to 1, so the slopes differ. Therefore, A, B, and C are not collinear. Question 20, Part B. First translate the triangle by U, which is 6, 2, then by V, which is -2, -5. A translation adds a vector to every point. The key idea is that two translations, one after the other, give the same result as a single translation by the sum of the vectors. Applying U, A moves to 2, 5, B to 5, 3, and C to 4, 7. Applying V to those, a double prime is 0, 0, B double prime is 3, -2, and C double prime is 2, 2. Now U plus V is 6 minus 2 and 2 minus 5, that is 4 minus 3. Translating the original triangle by 4, -3 gives exactly 0, 0, 3, -2, and 2, 2, the same points, showing two translations combine into one by the sum vector. A few reminders before your exam. Always show you're working because marks reward the steps, not only the final answer. When things look different, rewrite them in a common form before you compare. Check that each answer is sensible and has the right units. And in Section B, choose the 3 questions you can complete fully. Wonderful work. You've now seen a clear method for every question on this paper. Practice them in your own words, then try another past paper to build speed. With Inzira, you can learn, practice, and master. See you in the next one.